the world will end in a fiery collision in a matter of weeks if one conspiracy theorist is to be believed. Christian numerologist David Meade has again warned that the mysterious planet Nibiru is about to smash into Earth. According to his theory, the apocalypse will take place between September 20th to 23rd, and the clues are written on the pyramids and in the Bible. The conspirator said, "It is very strange indeed that both the Great Sign of Revelation 12 and the Great Pyramid of Giza both point us to one precise moment in time, September 20th to 23, 2017. Is this the end of the church age and the transition to the day of the Lord? There couldn't be two greater witnesses." Mr. Meade thinks Nibiru, also known as Planet X, will become visible in the sky around mid-September before it collides with our planet. Earlier this year Mr. Meade made a September prediction using verses from the Bible, but he now claims this date is backed up by marking on the pyramids. Of the pyramid, he said, "It faces true north with only 3/60th of a degree of error and is located at the center of the landmass of the Earth. The east-west parallel that crosses the most land and the north-south meridian that crosses the most land intersect in two places on the Earth, one in the ocean and the other at the Great Pyramid. Two tunnels set in the Great Pyramid will point to significant celestial objects after September 20th, the conspiracy theorist claims. He said the descending passage will point to the star Regulus, also known as the King in the constellation Leo, and the ascending passage will point to Jupiter, known to the Jews as the planet of the Messiah. As well as detailing markings on Egypt's pyramids, David's prediction is mostly based on the Bible passage Isaiah, chapter 13:9-10, which says, "See, the day of the Lord is coming, a cruel day, with wrath and fierce anger, to make the land desolate and destroy the sinners within it. The stars of heaven and their constellations will not show their light. The rising sun will be darkened and the moon will not give its light." Despite a lack of evidence for the hidden world, which NASA has previously stated is an internet hoax, many people believe it is real. Nibiru, and is sometimes referred to as Planet X, has been predicted to end the world several times since 2003. Mr. Meade's latest claims follow his original apocalyptic predictions, which came in January after he claimed a star, which he calls a binary twin of our Sun, is coming at us towards the South Pole. Mr. Meade, author of the book Planet X, the 2017 arrival, said the star will bring with it 7 orbiting bodies, including Nibiru, a large, blue planet that he also refers to as Planet X hurtling towards our planet. In his book, he claims to put forward scientific evidence, but readers commenting on the book say the argument quickly develops into a religious argument. One reviewer says, on his website he focuses on facts and science, astronomical evidence to lure some readers into his material, but after a dozen pages it starts to get all religious for almost 40 pages, more than a 1/3 of the book, mentioning visions and dreams. He continues, the author mentions several times how certain things are facts just because God said so on the Bible, and then goes on and on over the rapture. The scientific community does not agree Nibiru exists. Nibiru and other stories about wayward planets are an internet hoax, NASA has said previously. Obviously, it does not exist. What is Nibiru? Nibiru, sometimes referred to as Planet X, is a hypothesized planet on the edge of our solar system. Nibiru is a different planet to the Planet 9, which is also sometimes referred to as Planet X, that was proposed by astronomers in Caltech in January last year. Conspiracy theorists believe the gravitational influence of the rogue planet Nibiru disrupted the orbits of other planets hundreds of years ago. They claim the next disruptive passage into the inner solar system could happen at any time. Some claim that this planet is sending plasmatic energy particles through our solar system. The flow of energy will disrupt the core flows of the Earth and trigger catastrophic changes in Earth's climate. They claim, since 1996, we have already been feeling the disruptive effects of the inbound rogue Planet X. Conspiracy theorists often blame natural disasters and freak weather patterns on the planet. Nibiru and other stories about wayward planets are an internet hoax, NASA has said. Obviously, it does not exist.